How to turn off the stolen device protection on iPhone without the Face ID. In this video, I will be telling you exactly what you need to know in order to do so. So this is the steps that you need to follow in order to complete the device protection or turn off the device protection. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. So first thing first, to turn off the stolen device protection, that is find my iPhone on an iPhone without Face ID, follow these steps. Open up the settings app on your iPhone, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the settings screen, your name and picture. Select the iCloud from the options, scroll down and tap on the uh, Find My iPhone, toggle off the switch next to my Find My iPhone. You will be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to confirm the connection. Enter it and tap Turn off. Once you complete these steps, Find My iPhone will be disabled and the stolen device protection filter will no longer be active. Remember, disabling this option will remove the ability to relocate or locate the remotely erase your data if it's stolen or lost.